It's easier than you think to have a massive change over the summer. I was honestly shocked by how much I've changed last year, so I don't want you to miss out on this. The biggest way I've been able to do this is by understanding that every problem is an opportunity. If you have so much free time, if you spend a lot of time scrolling on your phone, that might be a problem, but it's an opportunity to do something else with that time. If you're tired, that's an opportunity to get better sleep, to eat better, to go outside more. If you're sad, if you're upset, it's an opportunity to feel better. If you don't have money, it's the opportunity to make money. By the way, if you're interested in YouTube or money, check the description. If you're weak, it's the opportunity to get stronger. So this right now is the opportunity to fix your mindset and use your brain to help you instead of tear you down. If the sun is beaming at my face, it's an opportunity to get some vitamin D, to be outside. Some of the ways I've used the opportunities I had during the summer was getting a buzz cut, just completely removing almost all the hair that I had on my head. It was so strange for me at first because I was so used to just having bangs and hiding my hair. So just cutting it all off had to force me to put myself out there, to be confident with showing my face and just having confidence in general. I was able to earn more money, which gave me the freedom to do more things during the summer. And not even just the summer, but in my whole life. I was able to get stronger, build more of a physique, which just helps in pretty much everything in life. I could have just sat inside, done nothing, played video games, scrolled on my phone, but I used the opportunity to do something else. It's honestly not that complicated. It's quite straightforward and simple. All you have to do is just take the opportunity and start now. You can make that extremely easy by making it simple, breaking the steps down, the goals down day by day, so that you just focus on what can you do today to get closer to your goal. Make it easy to do it. Identify yourself as someone who does these things, who achieves these goals, who is going to make their summer amazing, who is going to take advantage of the opportunities that they have now. Life is meant to be enjoyed. Make life interesting. Try new things. Start doing things that will help you in the future. I've been using the opportunity that I have this little field I can make videos in. I've been using the opportunity that I have so much free time that I'm not really going out that often. I'm not that occupied with other things, that my life has been pretty mundane in the past. I've been using that to have more time to work on YouTube, to work out, to do things that I will care about in the future. So when I do have those things, it'll be a lot more fun. If you stick to this right now, the day you watch this video, by the end of the summer, or just that by the end of the month, 2 months, 3 months, you'll start to realize for one of the first times in your life, you've actually changed a bit. You start feeling different. The clothes that you wear feel differently on you. When you look at yourself in the mirror, you look different. When you talk to people, you can notice that it just feels better to talk with people. That habits, the way you carry yourself feels different, but in a good way. We're both capable of a lot of things. Now it's just time to take advantage of those opportunities. Make this one of the last videos you watch today. Try doing something right away. Find an opportunity and take it. Start it right away. Make it easy. I'll see you later. Peace. Take care. See you at the end of summer.